Hello, everybody. My name is Atemi, and today I will be teaching you guys how to install um, MySQL on Mac OS device. So the first thing you do is you go over here and you type MySQL download. And then you click on MySQL downloads. And then you click on downloads. You scroll down. Maybe look for MySQL community downloads. Actually, hold on. Do this right. MySQL.com, MySQL downloads. Okay, there we go. So you click MySQL community server, and now scroll down. You see all the options. So depending on the Mac operating system, you pick the version you want. And so it looks like this computer has a Mac OS 11, but let's just make sure. Oops, how do I get at this? Shoot, 1 second. Okay, there we go. Go on your About This Mac, and it looks like it has a 11.5. Okay. So you want the DMG archive. No, I'm sorry, that's one, the second one. It's gonna ask you to log in or sign up. Well, I already have one, so I'm just gonna log in. Actually, we're just gonna click you can log in or sign up. I already have an account, and I'm not really trying to do anything on my SQL right now on the Oracle web account, so I'm just gonna hit the no thanks to start my download. Do you want to allow downloads on dev.mysql.com? Yes, allow. And oh, that was fast. Faster than I thought. So we're gonna try and start the installation process here. This package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. To keep your computer secure, you should only run programs or install software from a trusted source. If you're not sure, click Plan so to stop the program and allow installation. And we're going to click Allow. Okay, so you can see Welcome to MySQL 8.026 Community Installer. We're going to continue. This is all the software license agreement. I would go through them if I were you, but right now I'm just going to click Continue. Agree. You can either change the location of the installation, but if you have a good reason to change the location, I would just leave it as default and click Install. And my max password, so okay, there we go. Oh, it's trying to install new software. Usernames, I put the wrong password for my actual Mac. Oops. So since I am at the Kennesaw library, I would need to use, okay, there we go. Don't, MySQL 8 supports strong authentication method based on blah blah blah. All new installations use legacy password. Legacy method should only be used when compatibility with blah blah blah. So I'm gonna click. Actually, give me 1 second. Let me read through it. Make sure. Now we're gonna click use strong password encryption. Now you enter a password for the root user. So I'm just gonna come up with something here. And click finish. Install blah 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 wants to make changes. Enter your password to allow this. All this security is just so there's no imposter in your account. Oops, shoot. The installation was completed successfully. Thank you for installing my MySQL server. These are all the online resources: MySQL reference manual, SQL.com, myoracle.com. Do you want to move to MySQL community site trust? No, keep. And in order to check that the MySQL is properly installed on your computer, you just go to the Apple icon over here, and then you look at system preferences. Oh, okay, so this the system preferences open. You will see the MySQL logo over here, and if you don't find it, you can just search here for it to pop up. But if you don't see it, you must have done something wrong. So this is it right here. You cannot click on it. See, so you can either stop MySQL server here if you want to. No, stop the server from running, and or you can start it. Just type your password again. Alright, there we go. That just means it's running the green. And now I know this. If you want to connect to the server, you can either use the terminal, or you can go to MySQL workbench. But here I'm going to show you how to do it on MySQL. Oops, it's not what I meant to click on. Keep Safari on MySQL workbench. So you can even go type in www.mysql.com, but I didn't really feel like doing all that, so I just hit like the back button a few times. You go to downloads, and then you go to the community GP downloads, and now you're in here. This is the community server as well, but we're looking for the workbench. So there we go. And we're going for the DMG but mind you, this is macOS. So we're looking for the DMG archive. It's only one option here. Go ahead, download. Remember, we don't really need to do this right now, so no thanks, just start my download. So it's usually takes more time, but I guess the Kennesaw Wi-Fi is really fast, so download is happening right now. Oh, right here. It's copying to the application. Have 5 seconds left. So it says it's done. So, or actually, you know what? We could just go to the Launchpad and search for my SQL workbench. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. Welcome to my SQL workbench on your Mac OS. Just make sure this is still recording. Oh my God, it's going. Okay, there we go. Jesus, to make sure this is still recording, you know. So this is MySQL workbench is open. Let's check the servers, make sure it's still running. Okay, there we go. We still have that green, so we're good. We're good to go. So if you want to connect, you just click connect to the server, just click the local instance 3306. And then the password. That's your user, root. For a password. Now you are ready to run queries.